Here we are back with a pile of free complimentary firewood, and what a beautiful pile it is. It'll keep us going for a while. Right on. Alright, here's the new beast, newly acquired. Convertible, of course. Flip front end. Pretty cool. So here we are on the tour of duties, getting some firewood, dropping off a few gifts. Went to Superstore already, got myself an overpriced salad. Of course I left the camera outside. So here we are at a harmless insulation place. Nothing big going on in here. We'll see what's going on. Alright. Oh, the door looks so jiggy. Fancy.
This machine just called me an asshole.
Alright, we're live here on location with the sketchy job of the day. One everybody seems to be scared of. That is swapping a fuel pump on a crusty old minivan. It's a lovely cold day out. We'll see how it goes. Okay, this stuff is so easy, even my grandma can do it. Anyways, with a limited access, here there's the pump. Easy ring, it just unscrews. Those gas lines, if you can push 2 clips in and pull, they pop out. Like 30 seconds, people. Gas tank's down, ready to go up. Time to get her running. Alright, we have an update on Nelson's handy tip here today. This also comes in handy when you're pulling a fuel pump in that gas tank there. We did earlier today. First, you always want to drain the tank before you do that, so you need to know what's going on. Well, Nelson's the man, he knows what's going on. So I'm pretty sure he had just a thimble full of gas left in that tank, just trying to get a little bit out. Either that, he was trying to blow away the place with the victory cheech. Either way, his was close, but you need a hole in the end. This is an improved way to get the gas out. A hole in the end, that's it. Instead of right at the end, hole in the end. Start it up a bit, and she'll pour for as long as you want. Instead of filling the shop with gas fumes, you can sit back, have a cheech, and watch the whole tank drain in front of you. So, but I'm guessing there is not that much gas in the tank, so when you're low you gotta spray it like a spray can. Anyways, that's it.
Nelson, ladies and gentlemen. It's friggin' Dick.
What do we got here? Accident of the day to fix. 307.
Got any keys? Don't just stand there. Come on, will you? Hey! Hey! Hey, I need your car! I'm commandeering your car! Hey, okay, I'm sorry. What are you doing?
Nothing, officer.
What do you mean, nothing? What's that you got in your mouth? What are you kids chewing on? Get the hell out of there! Get the hell out of here! Get out of here! Go on, get out of there! Get the hell out of here! I'll be back after your ass! Hey! Come on, get out of there, will you? Come on! Hey! Where's your turning signal? Where's your turn? Get the hell out of the way, you dumb...
That's one. That's one. Ha-ha, that's one.
Okay, the last tip of the day is so easy, even a chumley can do it, but some people seem to be scared of it, and that's a hole in the tire. You don't have to take the tire off the vehicle, but you do have to know where the hole is and let the air out. So you get your doohickey ready to go. It's like a needle that you threaded in home ec in grade 7. You know where the hole is. All you do, jam it in. Real easy. And out. Whoa. And that's it. It's fixed. So you can pay $30 or more at the tire shop. They'll do it for you. Or you can spend 10 seconds and do it yourself. I'll let you decide. Okay, this is so ridiculous. I can't even believe I'm doing this. But if I had a Pontiac 400 for every time I seen a car driving around with a poorly taped on garbage bag on the window, I'd be pretty happy. Anyways, I bought this car. It's been sitting with the window down for, I don't know, you tell me how long. And the guy told me I needed a motor. So I spent 2 seconds finding the motor wire. There it is. And all you have to do is you hook up a battery, 2 wires, doesn't matter which way they are yet. One's up, one's down. Find your up way. All you do, you catch the wires together, and you keep the snow out of the car. So I don't know why anybody would do this, but there you have it. So if you want to roll it up, there she is. Keep the mice out. Well, the good news is there's a whole car in the trunk. The bad news is I can't seem to wake this guy up. He seems to be pretty laid back there. But I'm gonna keep trying though. Personal favorite for the Decaying Classic, 59 Olds 88. No more. $59.
Fight!
We're here live on the scene of an AMX accident, and it's a fairly gross one. This is the way it came in. This is the mess that was left for me. This is minor compared to the rest of the car. It's the last step. This is the good side. This side here was rotten right to the rail. As you can see, I already had to build up the trunk and reflanger. So, but seeing we're on a roll with the beginner how-tos this one, I figure this will be a simple one that nobody ever sees. So it's a good one to start if you don't know what the hell you're doing, or you know what I mean. So here we go. Here we are down below. It's in actually really good shape, but this is a nut and bolt resto, so it has to be perfect. So it must go. There's a bit of shit down in the corner there, and as you can see, somebody's been hacking on it already. Same guy that did the top. Anyways, it's on its way out. People always complain about these Japanese or these Taiwanese parts. They're shit, nobody wants them. Well, I decided to order these extensions from your guys' country, some of y'all, the good old US of A, and this is what they sent me. I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but I've never seen a part like this in my life. I'm not going to say where I got them from, but I think they'll be the last. Anyways, good thing you don't see them. So here they are, going in. Alright, it's time to go Chuck Norris on this thing. Let's see what we can do here. Here we are with parts car of the week. Going to good use. Fancy seats. 5-speed. Ah, it's warm out.
That car's pretty nice, eh?
It's gonna be gutted.
Not even rusty.
It's not even rusty and it's gonna get gutted. Huh. It's the way she goes. It's the way she goes. Well, the project of the night's a simple one, keeping up with the theme. So tonight we're gonna do barbecue tacos. Now you might be saying Mexicans don't barbecue, the beans will fall through the grill. I'll just hang in there, you'll see why. First you need fresh, not frozen stuff. That stuff's crap. And one of these fancy pans and a flame. Alright, there's not much action going on this week, so everybody's kind of left me alone this last couple of days, which is a good thing. And it's cold here, but there's no snow. So it's the least snow I've ever seen. So maybe I'll hook you up with some old footage of our bumper dragon rig we made years ago and stuff like that. Used to have tons of footage, but it's all on VHS now. And I'd love to make some more, but no snow. So anyways, these things are just cooking along. That's about it. Alright, stage 2. We got our taco juice, spices, and super extra spicy salsa. You can add onions now. I just don't feel like going to that trouble tonight. Or whatever the hell else you want to add in there. It's all good. Alright, after 20 or so more on the Barbie, we're ready to go. Cheese on the bottom, cheese on the top. Unfortunately, no lettuce here. My final tip of the day, stick a piece of paper towel under there, no dishes to do. The rest I'll leave up to you.
They're going to need all the luck they can get.
Well, that wraps up our first day mini preview. I hope you enjoyed it. It's full of pretty basic stuff. 1 out of 10 on the hardness scale. Handy if you're a soccer mom or accountant type guy. Maybe next week we'll step it up on the hardness scale and I'll show you how you can fix a door like this, sideswiped and caved in, for $15. I've already pulled out the damage with the stud gun and stripped her to bare metal. So, and maybe I'll show you how you can do emergency gas tank repair if you're 4x4 or something in off-road, and I'll show you how to do that, weld it up proper. Maybe how to get free stuff out of the vending machine. Maybe build a car coach or two, a couple haunted house visits. Maybe I'll show you how to hot wire a car. Just a couple of many surprises coming up. So today, not much going on. It's a slow day. It's Valentine's Day. It's minus 30 out. So maybe I'll even show you the old snow bike here. Ski bike. Get her on the road for you. But anyways, till then, it's Valentine's Day, so I got better shit to do. Take her easy. The green beast is about to fire.